That was beautiful. Oh.
Those are my favorite.
Yeah, the white ones.
Yeah.
I know, right? I like the white blue.
White, yeah. Yeah. Sparkly ones are good too.
Red neck.
What'd he say?
Orange neck.
Orange neck.
His favorites are the orange ones.
Ooh, sparkle. I so love the sparkly.
I like those.
Those are beautiful, aren't they?
Hell, the first 2 or 3 that they shot was the best so far. They were big.
Oh, that's pretty.
Hey,
Yeah.
That was pretty.
wait for the grand finale.
Oh, I know.
Oh, I know.
They started off with a grand.
They did kind of.
Yeah.
They usually do.
Yeah.
The truck hadn't got any camber to it.
What does that mean?
Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Whoa! That is beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Thank God the rain held off.
That is so pretty.
I do too, Nathan. Looks like a palm tree.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the trail.
They're my favorite. Ooh, baby. Oh man, that was wild. Oh, cool.
Whoa. That's a good one.
And sparkles at the end. Oh, that's
Yeah.
that's
yeah,
gorgeous. That's so hella.
That was pretty, yeah.
Ah.
You called that right before it
Oh,
happened.
sure,
that's cool.
Yeah, well.
Yeah.
That's the
That
best.
was awesome. Red, white, and blue, baby.
Will, where's Jan?
Let's not go down.
This is being recorded. Just saying.
It's Facebook.
I'm saying.
Oh, man.
Oh, baby.
Oh, yeah, it's sad.
Oh, lady.
I like these combos.
Yeah.
Woo, baby.
There's orange, Jesse.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Good old rock top.
Sing it, Frankie.
No. The guy that's shooting them must be drunk because they were all going that way at first.
Oh, no, that was you.
Now they're getting they're getting further and further this way now.
To the right, Tim?
Yeah, they were going straight up when he started. I think he's having a few drinks as he does.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are
Nothing
wild,
wrong
aren't
with
they?
that.
Does anybody have a beer?
I do. What do you want?
What flavor?
Oh,
Something beside Youngling or Corona.
Bud Light.
Yeah, good luck with that. Whoa,
I'll
solar.
get it. Where is it?
Oh, I'm sitting on it.
Oh.
I got a Budweiser.
Huh.
Yeah.
I did. I did.
There's a little slot up there when you get back off. You got to put a little money in it.
I got you.
All
I
right.
was just a little slow back there.
That's all right. I'm up there.
Mine ain't too shabby. It's just a little slow.
Thank you, Tim.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well.
Thank Frankie.
Come
Oh,
on.
one of my cold beers?
Yeah.
That's going to be awesome.
Go plug up that refrigerator in there, Frankie. and Put them in
The
it.
final finale.
I don't want to get up.
Yeah.
No. God.
Yeah, it'll be a lot bigger than that.
Yeah. it will. Woo, baby.
Oh,
All
that's
right.
nice.
Ooh.
Oh,
You
it's
know,
gonna-
one weekend, y'all need to just play on this trailer.
No shit. That would be
Yeah,
cool.
like I don't play on it all week. Yeah, that's what I'd like to do. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Will, we'll have a big party here. The band will play on the
You
trailer.
ain't no grease on it.
Oh, man, that's
I don't
cool.
think so.
Oh, that's.
Justin,
Huh?
I can't get in the truck.
Sure you can. Climb through the window.
Yeah, wait a minute, let me turn the lights on.
Too
You're
cool.
right. Oh.
That'll be a
Wow,
good idea
that's
to
cool.
turn them lights back on when everybody starts getting
Man,
off this trailer
that
because these
is
steps
cool.
are a little big.
Oh, really?
And your tail lights on. Just
Yeah.
park right on.
Oh man,
I
that's
got a big
awesome.
spotlight on the
Chase
back.
each
But it just being
I cracked up.
scared this and I'm gonna fall going down.
other. Very nice.
That'd be all
Keep
well
going,
made
keep
because
going.
What'll hurt them is when they hit the ground.